Good Thursday morning is your Loudoun County Weather Update. Definitely going to highlight whether or not I think that we're going to get heavy rains. The models aren't like all gung ho that we're going to get a lot of rain today, but the atmosphere does have some meteorological signatures to it that says heavy rain is possible. Definitely the available moisture is really, really high. So if we do get triggers, even though these storms, even on these models, show a little bit lighter, if we get training storms or slow-moving storms, we're getting a lot of rain where it happens. But is that going to happen in our backyard? I got to tell you, the models aren't really totally favoring that we're going to be the area that gets the heaviest rain. This is a short-term model called the HRR model. I won't go into exactly what that means, but anyway, it's one looking for convection here. And you can see the timelines, by the way, for this between now and 2 p.m. So this is going to update. So this is 3 p.m., 4 p.m., 5 p.m. This is looking at how much moisture is going to fall out of the showers and storms. So you do see later this afternoon, showers and storms do come. But there's not a lot of rain here. It is hit or miss. And, I mean, there are pockets here and there of heavier rain. So definitely something we'll have to watch, whether or not one of those heavier ones gets on top of you. It's all about summertime thunderstorms, right? If they happen over top of you, you can get a lot of rain. Just coming out right now is a new model. This is a North America model. It's a short-range model. And I'm looking here again. This is how much rain we're expecting out of these showers and storms. This one's a little more robust, showing the potential for some 3 or so inches of rain here. Again, it's all about whether or not showers and storms are going to happen over your backyard, so whether or not you're going to get them. So the potential's there, and I think that's what we keep on saying. Potential does not mean reality. But yeah, the NAM is showing quite a bit of rain. I will tell you the North American model can be overdone on the amount of precip, so it may not be that we get this much rain from anything from that. So these are your close-in models, the ones we're probably most concerned about. We do have the risk, according to the forecast, looking at the potential for heavy precipitation. We are in a region that is outlined by that, so a moderate risk that there could be above normal precipitation or excessive rainfall, meaning localized flooding. Additionally to that, today we also have a severe threat. If I can get to stay here, there's a severe threat for today, but the real threat is going to be wind. Although there is a small chance that we could get some hail. That's actually backed off some on the latest update, but a good chance that there could be some localized severe storms. This could be an accompaniment with a very heavy rainstorm. The rain falling very, very heavy in a short period of time can really bring some heavy winds out in front of it, and that's why we can get those severe thunderstorms. So wind would be our big threat. Wind is a risk factor. I mean, you saw it probably between about 2 and it looks like maybe 6 or 7 p.m. So a little bit later, actually, than what the original forecast was showing. So it looks like for us, between like 3 and 6 could be the big time, based on the short-term model forecast. Not sure that will come true or not. So that's it for today. We do have this flood watch in effect. Please be careful and know what's going on, in that respect. So if we go to the models and look at the bigger picture after today, and I'll go to the full country because I think it helps you kind of see what's happening, countrywide and where we expect rainfall and things to move forward. As we move, and I'll get it right set. Sorry, y'all. As we move forward here, we see that this is that potential like a area of low pressure and some emphasis or some enhancement to the rain, and that's why we're watching for potential localized flooding. Whether or not it happens in our backwoods, our backyards is going to be a big question. Not sure. This high is going to come down, eventually push moisture out of here. So Friday may have a few lingering showers. I don't think the models are really showing a good chance of that, but they keep showing up on the forecast, so I needed to mention it. But after that, I mean, this weekend looks beautiful. Isobars are a little bit close together, so we could start off a little breezy maybe tomorrow night into Saturday, and Sunday looks just super nice. This is Sunday now. A high is firmly in control. Cool air really nosing down, so that's going to be dry, cool air. It's going to feel really nice outside. As things get moving next week, eventually here we're going to get the dry air and the cool air to move east and out of the way, and you can see that the 500 millibar heights are rising. So we're going to get a little warmer towards the middle of the week, and then we get a chance of some showers and storms possibly as we come into Wednesday and Thursday, Friday. It's the atmosphere is humid, and daytime heating could trigger some showers and storms in the making here. It doesn't seem on this model forecast to get super warm, but I think it is going to be above normal and very humid for a period of time. And then maybe as we get later into the following week, we have another chance of some more rain and showers and storms, maybe another big cool down. So we'll have to see if that comes to fruition. Instead of going with the surface temperatures now, I'm going to do the 850 millibar temperature anomalies just to kind of show you the cooler air. It kind of gives you a good visual. There's the upper levels a little bit from us. And you see that front coming through and bringing the much cooler than normal atmosphere into our region and having it stick around. So this is Sunday, and this is going into Monday. So you see it sticking around and trying to hang on. And it hangs on pretty well till about midweek, and then it gets eroded, and we're very near normal or just slightly below. But then we're back to near normal conditions. But then as we go out into the further future, you see this big heat dome. This is the heat that was all over us all summer. Has been kicked west. But that starts to try to infiltrate us, at least in spurts and bits in here, late next week into next weekend, before that next front tries to push through and at least knock us back down to some normal temperatures. Not super cool temperatures by any means. But look at this. In the very long range, this is the first real blue showing up. This is a really cool shot. But you see it's headed to the west, so that could really pump our temperatures up in the long range. So we'll have to see. Anyway, I don't want to overcomplicate today. I will be watching for severe storms. Some of the forecasts look a little more ominous than maybe it will end up. But there are chances of those isolated showers and storms with very heavy rain where they do fall. And there could be some severe storms as well if we get a lot of wind. All right, that's it. Have a good day. Please be well aware. I'll try to update as I can.